Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, did you know that car engines can last over 1,000,000 miles without a hitch? Yep, you heard that right. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles around 60 times. Now, what are these engines? Well, stick around as we dive into the world of car engines that just won't crack. They won't break down. So we're counting down the top 20 car engines known for their insane durability and reliability, low maintenance, and high performance. These engines have stood the test of time and are still going strong in 2025. This list is perfect for car enthusiasts and lovers, DIY mechanics, and basically anyone who values a vehicle that'll keep running year after year. Now, let's first address the elephant in the room: engine failures and check engine light. We all know that panic that comes to heart when the check engine light comes on, right? As a car owner, you most likely will face many issues, from overheating to oil leaks or engine knock, and it's a real headache. That's why having a reliable engine is very crucial. A dependable engine saves you money on repairs and gives you peace of mind on the road. This is why we are making this video, to show some of the top car engines that always stood the test of time, lasting decades and easily going over 500,000 miles. So let's look at 20 of these engines that have proven to be real MVPs in the automotive world. Kicking things off at number 20, we have the Toyota 3UZ FE. Built from 2000 to 2010, this silky smooth V8 is renowned for powering luxurious Lexus models like the iconic LS430. Known for delivering refined power with unmatched durability, this engine's lightweight aluminum construction boosts efficiency without sacrificing strength. Drivers regularly report cruising past 400,000 miles without any major hiccups, which is why you will always hear owners of Lexus with LS430 engine models joke that their engine outlasts everything else in their car, except for the leather seats. For me, this shows Toyota's exceptional dedication to engine build quality and long-lasting performance. Ford 4.9-liter inline-six, 300 inline-six. Coming in strong at number 19 is the Ford 4.9-liter inline-six, affectionately known as the 300. Produced from the 1960s through the 1990s, this engine became the backbone of Ford's toughest trucks and vans. Famous for its unbeatable low-end torque and rock-solid reliability, the 300 frequently surpasses the 400,000-mile mark with minimal fuss. Trusted by farmers, tradesmen, and truck lovers alike, it's a true workhorse, designed to thrive in any condition, year after year. I mean, there's a reason you still see old Ford trucks from the 70s and 80s hauling loads today. This engine is virtually unstoppable. Toyota 22RE, 2.4-liter inline-4. Taking the 18th spot is the legendary Toyota 22RE, an engine iconic among adventurers and everyday drivers. Found under the hood of Toyota pickups and 4Runners from the 1980s through the 1990s, its simple, no-nonsense design and easy maintenance made it virtually indestructible. Its rugged cast-iron block is so durable that it could survive an apocalypse. Stories of the 22RE effortlessly hitting 500,000 miles are common, solidifying its legendary status. Whether braving extreme temperatures or harsh terrains, this engine has proven repeatedly why it's an automotive icon. Honda K20, 2.0-liter, inline-4. At number 17, we have the Honda K20, a powerhouse revered by car enthusiasts and tuners alike. Gaining fame in models like the legendary Civic Type R from the early 2000s, this engine is celebrated for its ability to scream at high revs while maintaining impeccable reliability. Easily reaching over 200,000 miles with regular care, the K20 is equally at home tearing up the track or reliably handling daily commutes, showcasing Honda's exceptional engineering prowess. Volvo B230, 2.3-liter inline-4. Sliding into the 16th spot is Volvo's B230 engine, a robust inline-4 produced predominantly throughout the 1980s and early 1990s. Although Volvo is famously known for safety, the B230 deserves equal acclaim for its outstanding durability. Found in beloved models like the Volvo 240 and 740, this engine regularly exceeds 500,000 miles without major issues. Its straightforward yet rugged construction makes it one of the toughest engines ever crafted, embodying Volvo's unwavering commitment to quality and longevity. Number 15 is the Chevrolet small block V8, 350 cubic inch. Introduced in 1955, this legendary engine has powered everything from thunderous muscle cars to rugged trucks. Known for its straightforward and bulletproof design, it boasts abundant parts availability, making maintenance a breeze. Hot rodders and classic car enthusiasts celebrate its enduring reliability and timeless performance, regularly pushing past 400,000 miles without breaking a sweat. At number 14, we have the BMW M30 Inline-6, produced from 1968 to 1994. This engine was the heartbeat of iconic BMW models like the 5 and 7 Series, admired for its silky smooth performance and robust build quality. Nicknamed the Big Six, this engine was BMW's sturdy workhorse long before luxury dominated the conversation. It's not unusual for these engines to effortlessly reach well over 300,000 miles with basic care. The M30 stands as a testament to BMW's unwavering commitment to precision and longevity. Coming in at number 13 is Chrysler's famous Slant 6 225 cubic inch, first seen in 1959. Known for its unique angled design, which improves durability and smooth operation, the Slant 6 commonly exceeds 500,000 miles. Today it remains popular among classic Mopar lovers, revered for its near-indestructible reliability and ease of maintenance. Number 12 is the Toyota 2JZ GTE, the powerhouse behind the legendary Toyota Supra. Produced primarily in the 1990s, this turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine combines immense performance potential with astonishing reliability. It can handle over 1,000 horsepower with stock internals, and even without modifications, it comfortably surpasses 300,000 miles. Immortalized by films like Fast and Furious, this engine's legendary status extends far beyond mechanics, a true icon in the world of high-performance engines that was ever made. At number 11 is the Honda B-Series engine, notably the B16 and B18 variants, which rose to prominence from the late 1980s through the early 2000s. This engine is beloved for both its durability and tuning potential, frequently surpassing 300,000 miles. The B-Series strikes an excellent balance between sporty performance and steadfast reliability, making it a favorite among Honda fans and tuners alike. Number 10, we have the Toyota 3RZ FE engine. Found in Tacomas and 4Runners during the late 1990s and early 2000s, this 2.7-liter inline-4 is celebrated for its tough, dependable design. Owners frequently report surpassing 500,000 miles with minimal maintenance, proving it's built to endure tough conditions and long-haul reliability. I once met a Tacoma owner whose odometer read nearly 600,000 miles. His secret? Regular oil changes and friendly chats with his engine. Sliding in at number 9 is the Toyota 1FZ FE engine, which powered the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser through the 1990s. This inline-6 is renowned for its exceptional torque and unmatched dependability, with many engines known to exceed 400,000 miles effortlessly. Toyota's rugged engineering shines through clearly with this legendary power plant. Number 8 is Volkswagen's 1.9-liter TDI ALH diesel engine, produced from the late 1990s to the early 2000s. This diesel engine is celebrated for its exceptional fuel economy, robust engineering, and outstanding longevity. It's common for these engines to surpass 500,000 miles, earning high praise from VW owners who prioritize efficiency and reliability. This engine truly represents Volkswagen's commitment to durable and efficient diesel technology. At number 7, we have the Toyota 4A FE. Powering countless Toyota Corollas from the late 80s and throughout the 90s, the 4A FE is known for its simple, straightforward design and rock-solid reliability. Its iron block and aluminum head ensure durability, while its efficient fuel injection system provides smooth performance. Owners regularly report these engines cruising effortlessly past the 400,000-mile mark with routine maintenance. It's not flashy, but it's dependable, exactly why drivers trust it decade after decade. Coming in at number 6 is the GM 3800 Series 2 V6. This legendary engine, manufactured from the mid-90s through the early 2000s, was a cornerstone of General Motors' lineup. It powered sedans like the Buick LeSabre, Pontiac Grand Prix, and Chevrolet Impala. Renowned for its incredible durability and surprising fuel efficiency, the Series 2 often surpasses 300,000 miles with ease. Its iron block and reliable pushrod design make it simple to maintain and economical to own, proving itself as a true workhorse that refuses to quit. At number 5 is the Mercedes-Benz OM602 Diesel. Introduced in the mid-80s and running strong into the 90s, the OM602 Diesel embodies everything Mercedes-Benz stands for: impeccable build quality, reliability, and longevity. Found in vehicles such as the legendary Mercedes W124, this 5-cylinder engine is famous for its robust cast-iron construction and straightforward mechanical injection. It's common to hear stories of OM602 engines effortlessly hitting over 500,000 miles, and many taxi drivers across Europe have logged even more without major repairs. It's a testament to Mercedes' relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. Number 4 is the Ford modular 4.6-liter V8. Debuting in the early 90s, this engine quickly became a staple in Ford's lineup, powering everything from muscular Mustangs to rugged F-150 trucks and even Crown Victoria police cruisers. Its modular design, aluminum heads, and iron block combine to create an engine that routinely achieves longevity well beyond 400,000 miles. Known for smooth power delivery and minimal maintenance requirements, the 4.6-liter V8 continues to be cherished by enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. It's proof that Ford built these engines for the long haul. Clocking in at number 3 is the Volvo D5 diesel engine. First introduced in 2001 and found in numerous Volvo models like the S60, XC70, and XC90, the D5 combines impressive fuel economy with remarkable power. Its 5-cylinder design is not just smooth and responsive, it's nearly bulletproof. Regularly maintained D5 engines are famous for effortlessly clocking well over 500,000 miles. Volvo's meticulous engineering ensures this engine is as safe, reliable, and long-lasting as the cars they're known for. Simply put, the D5 diesel is engineered to endure. At number 2, we have the iconic Jeep AMC 4.0-liter inline-6. Produced from 1986 until 2006, this engine powered legendary models like the Jeep Cherokee, Wrangler, and Grand Cherokee. Known for its straightforward, rugged design, the 4.0-liter is celebrated for delivering exceptional torque, durability, and off-road capability. It's not uncommon for these engines to easily surpass 400,000 miles without significant issues. Jeep enthusiasts love this engine not only for its toughness, but for its ease of maintenance, making it an enduring favorite among off-road adventurers and everyday drivers alike. Finally, at number 1, let's talk about Subaru's EJ22 Boxer engine. Introduced in the late 80s and continuing through the 90s, this 2.2-liter flat-4 is highly regarded for its balance of performance, smoothness, and reliability. Found in popular models like the Subaru Legacy and Impreza, the EJ22 boasts an exceptionally robust design that's built to handle decades of driving in all kinds of conditions. Properly maintained, these engines frequently exceed 500,000 miles without missing a beat. Subaru's unique Boxer design, which provides a lower center of gravity and balanced weight distribution, is another reason enthusiasts and everyday drivers appreciate this engine's incredible durability. These engines aren't just mechanical marvels, they're automotive legends, known for their incredible reliability and durability. Choosing any vehicle powered by these engines means you'll likely be driving it for decades to come. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite engine? Have any personal stories? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos linked here and in the description box on the 10 top truck engines ever made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!